Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to wake up screen when notifications come on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, by seeing notifications as they arrive, you can respond promptly to important emails, messages, or work-related alerts, thereby enhancing your productivity and efficiency. Okay, so let's go through the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Once there, navigate to the notifications and status bar. Okay, within this menu, find out and select the lock screen option. And here you will find the wake screen menu. Okay, enable this feature by toggling the switch to the right position. Following that, you will have the option to specify which applications are permitted to utilize this feature. This allows you to customize your lock screen experience based on your preferences and priorities. Moreover, you can fine-tune the active duration of this feature. You are presented with two choices, automatic and manual. With the automatic option, the wake screen feature will activate and deactivate based on preset condition. Conversely, the manual option empowers you to personally set the duration according to your specific needs and usage patterns. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to wake up screen when notifications come on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.